Here we go, fourth graders. Good morning. I'm going to tell you something that I've been doing with Group 2. So, with Group 2, we started having Friday fun, free time, whatever you want to call it, on the day they came back, so yesterday. And I rewarded those that had been doing their work. So I'm no longer going to do it just for the whole class. If you do your work, you will get rewarded on Monday. So that includes getting yesterday done, today, and tomorrow. So let's look at what I have for today. I'm trying something different. I'm going to put everything under one assignment and hopefully that helps make things a little more clear. Leave me a comment if that makes it easier or if I need to go back to the old way. So, you're watching this video first. Morning meeting, share how you are feeling in a CSUB video. I will share that I'm feeling very proud of myself because I got up and worked out when I didn't want to. Writing, check the feedback I wrote you. Write a comment back to me. So let's look at where that is. So that is your story map. So if you go to your writing story map, those that have turned that in, I have given you feedback. And again, you can get to all your assignments very easily by clicking classwork. Oops. So now let's go here. Math, complete the video on form, 20 minutes of Dreambox. So you've got this form here on rounding. Complete that after you watch the video and do 20 minutes of Dreambox. Reading, make a Flipgrid video where you use each vocab word in a sentence. So that's why you needed your vocabulary journal. So you're going to make a 7-up sentence with that, and the directions are on the Flipgrid. Science, you've got your science assignment right here. Complete that by Monday. Nothing has changed with that. So this is what I need you to do today. Remember, you will get rewarded Monday if you are getting your work done. One thing I'll add on reading is to make sure that you're reading 20 minutes too. Have a great day. Let me know if I can help you.